Is expected to launch the Hot 60 Pro Plus with a sub 6mm design soon. Last week we saw images comparing its slim design with the regular iPhone, and yesterday there was a video comparing the Hot 60 Pro Plus thickness and weight to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Today some exclusive images that proves the previous leaks, with two of them showing the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus being as thick as 4 credit cards and 3 coins. The Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus will be 5.95 mm thick, which will make it the thinnest curved display phone at launch. Yesterday's video revealed while Hot 60 Pro Plus is 0.2 mm thicker than Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, it surprisingly weighs less at 154.6 grams versus 163.8 grams. It is said to have a massive battery, but we don't know what is the battery size. Maybe towards the launch they will reveal the battery size, because they might go for the silicon carbon technology, while Samsung still uses this old technology and has a 3900 mAh battery.